Stock investing for beginners. Tesla is laying off thousands of employees in California and Texas. Tesla layoffs 2,700 workers in Austin, Texas, and Tesla profits slumped by more than half. Then you might be thinking, Tesla stock must be dropping. No, Tesla stock is up 12% today, April 25th. So what's going on? Today I'm going to talk about why Tesla stock is jumping. Should we buy, hold or sell? One Elon Musk secret that made Tesla stock jump. Elon Musk said something in the earnings call. Because of that, I believe one stock's gonna go up pretty soon, really quick. What stock is it? Tesla reported 9% drop in revenue in the first quarter, the steepest year-over-year decline since 2012. As of Tuesday close, Tesla stock is down 40% year to date. And we have increased competition across all over the world. EV sales are slowing, going down, and also lots of EV companies are cutting prices. So it's increased competitions, profits are going down. Tesla reported EPS 45 cents actual adjusted versus expected 51 cents. It's dropped below expectations, and revenues 21.3 billion below expectation, 22.15 billion expected. Revenue declined 23.33 billion a year earlier and from 25.17 billion in the fourth quarter. Net income dropped 55% to 1.13 billion or 24 cents a share from 2.51 billion or 73 cents a share. All bad news. The drop in sales was even steeper than company's last decline in 2020. Remember, COVID shut down 2020. It wasn't as bad as now. Wow, everything is so bad. So bad. Look at that. Revenue drop and Tesla net income drop. That's crazy. And sales across EV all over the world is slowing. Capital expenditure rose to 2.77 billion, up 34% from a year earlier. Free cash flow negative in the quarter, deficit of 2.53 billion. A year ago, Tesla had free cash flow of 441 million. So it's really bad now. And even before the previous quarter, 2.06 billion. Tesla attributed negative figure to 2.7 billion inventory buildup. You see, they are not selling cars, not as much as we wanted them to be. Everything is so bad. So what did Elon Musk say that made the stock jump 12% in one day? Elon Musk said that they're gonna produce cheaper EVs by early 2025. The share jumps over 12% is because of that. Do you know why? Investors wanted to hear that. They have been asking or expecting Elon Musk to make more affordable, cheaper EV vehicles. So he gave what investors wanted. So that's why the stock price jumped. Also, he also mentioned something in the earnings call that's gonna benefit one AI company. Which company is that? Tesla gonna spend billions on Nvidia and AMD GPU and CPU to have more powerful AI supercomputer. Look at that. Elon Musk, Tesla new 500 million projects for New York Gigafactory. Elon Musk said that even though that's a lot of money, they can only buy 10,000 Nvidia H100 AI GPUs. And he's planning to spend more on Nvidia hardware this year. How much more? They want to buy 85,000 Nvidia H100 GPUs. So if you calculate how much money is that going to Nvidia. 4.25 billions going to Nvidia based on 85,000 H100 GPU. But Elon Musk gonna buy more. Not only Tesla, other Elon Musk companies are buying a lot of Nvidia hardware. If you think about that, how much demand Nvidia is getting just from Elon Musk and his companies? That's quite a lot. Not to talk about Meta, Amazon, Alphabet. They are all buying Nvidia GPU and chips. Not only this year, Tesla, Elon Musk, last year they wanted to buy a lot more only if Nvidia could sell more. Remember, Nvidia is trying to fulfill all the demand around the world, not only from Tesla, Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, the governments from all around the world. So Nvidia can't give everything to one company, even though they want to buy everything from Nvidia. So they have supply problem, not a demand problem. Nvidia biggest problem at the moment is fulfilling ample demand for its AI chips. That's why I have Nvidia. Look at that. I have over 30,000 profits within a few months. So if you want to have good problems like that, you need to learn stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option. Remember, if you know how to invest in stock, how to trade options and advanced option, your new problem is gonna be where to keep your money. It's not how to make more money. It's not how to find better jobs, make more money. Your only problem is gonna be how do I invest in extra money? How do I keep all this money that I have from stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option? So if you want to learn more, you can start by opening a stockbroker account. The link is gonna be down in the description below, and you can also subscribe to my Patreon, which stocks I have been buying, which options I have been trading. The link is gonna be down below as well. Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now. If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist: stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.